Good morning, David here, weekly wheat look. Today is Friday, 5th of August, 6:32 in the morning. As usual, looking at November contract 2016 UK, and as usual, we'll start with the monthly chart in front of us. And you can see here, this is the third green candle, third positive month we've had. Obviously, this was June, July, and August. High here of 28. Well, actually coming here at 29 on this candle, 28.50 I think is the high on the daily. Closed last night 27.60. So you can see that we've got a monthly trend in place at the moment. Let's have a look on the weekly candle. Weekly, you can see here, had this undersize of candle last month where we went down to test last week 21 and a high of 29, a fair range. Last night's close here 27.60. Looked as though if we get a close above the 27.28, we'll be in line for another positive weekly close. Come down into the daily, and you can see here the range that we've been looking to break out of here. This high here, it was 24.50. We tested 3 times here in June, end of June, and then in July. And obviously we got that breakout here. We broke up to 27.90. Then obviously we had the 3 days falling back to test the breakout 24.50, and obviously now since then we've been gradually just climbing up steadily. Obviously we're closed last night here, say 27.50. The last high I recorded at 28.50. See no reason why that shouldn't be taken out at the next few days. Especially when you see trading today and tomorrow. And then obviously we've got our targets we've been looking for, initially 134, and then ultimate target up here is 136, and then above that we've got 140. So obviously positive RSI is back up at 65, just so let's see, but obviously you can see how that's broken out of that and then come up to a high here. So obviously got our targets in place. Just to show you what happened on sterling yesterday. Here we were, obviously off the bank's QE and obviously lowering of interest rates pushed the pound down again. This is against the dollar. This is the big red candle here where we had the Brexit vote here, and obviously yesterday's big move down here, and obviously closed below the low of the Brexit vote. So that's quite key again. So obviously you're seeing further weakness in the pound again, which will aid obviously to the UK wheat market. And I'll put up